Before you start wrapping the door handle, make sure it's completely clean. Then I'll be doing the driver's side driver door, which has two cutouts, and just peel the film off. Do it carefully so you don't stretch it or damage it in any way. And now the way I'll align this is by the two cutouts. And now notice this one is much smaller than the actual hole. This is because it wraps inside. And the other important thing to be aware of is when you align, test to see if that line over here overlaps this one over here properly. Same goes for the back one. So I'll basically just grab the upper piece and lay it on top to make sure it fits nicely. It does in my case, so I'll just start applying the vinyl with my fingers. Notice this wraps around, and we first need to do the top and bottom, and then we'll wrap the middle around them. And for this one, you would most likely need a heat gun or a hair dryer, especially in the cold winter months, because the curves are so big that without a heat gun you'll probably not get good adhesion and just overall clean surfaces. You get creases. Notice how I start from the middle and then I do the top, and now I'll start from the middle again and I will do the bottom. Now make sure that here at the edges where it curves, it's completely tacked. So just push it with your fingers. Now grab the middle piece and just lay it on top. Now before you do these curves here, I again suggest you grab a heat gun and warm it up, or a hair dryer will do the same job. Now let's do the same on the other side. I'm getting a bit too much pressure here. So what I'll do is I'll carefully peel that and just stretch it a bit to remove that pressure at the corner. And don't worry if it overlaps with the paint, you can just pull the handle and wrap it around. Okay, now let's give it another shot. Now we use a squeegee to push the final leftover wrinkles here. Okay, now let's do the bottom. And now notice that I still have tiny wrinkles here. This is just a trick installation, and chances are you'll have them too. So if that really bothers you, maybe you should go to a professional shop to to wrap your door handles with stretching. As far as the pre-cut kit goes, you might end up with a bit of wrinkles. This is just very, very curvy. Now, for the last part, I'll heat this up and I'll just kind of tack it inside. That's it.